Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to switch off the Galaxy S23 device. So just to do that, we should press the power key button on the right side of our phone for a few seconds. But if you have the same situation like in my case, if the USB assistant is activated by press and hold to the power key button and you don't want to use it from the power key, you just want to use the power off menu from here. So we should first open the settings, just scroll down to advanced features, then click to the side key, and here when you'll see the press and hold section, just change wake USB to the power off menu. So now let's go back to the home screen, press and hold the power key button once again, and we can see here the power off menu. So you can restart the device, and to turn it off, just to turn it off, click twice to power off button. Wait a second, and after the vibration the screen is dark, so this means that our device is turned off. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.